In a world filled with ordinary felines, there was one kitten destined for greatness. Meet Captain Fluffbutt, a fluffy ball of fur with a heart of gold and a bright red cape. Meow, gotta save the world, Captain Fluffbutt declared with determination. He spots kittens in distress. With incredible speed and agility, Captain Fluffbutt scoops up each kitten one by one. Thank you, Captain Fluffbutt, the kitten said gratefully. You're our hero, another kitten exclaimed excitedly. Purr. It was nothing, just doing my duty, Captain Fluffbutt responded proudly and modestly. With a final heroic pose, Captain Fluffbutt soars back into the sky, ready for his next adventure.